My name's Ken Brandon with the Brandon Real Estate Advisory Group and Keller Williams Realty. I've compiled some sales statistics from the Jacksonville Board of Realtors MLS for the first 6 months of 2011 compared to the first 6 months of 2010, and I want to take just a couple minutes to share that information with you. In my opinion, it's important to stay educated in the area of current market trends. I believe in order to remain successful in a tough market, that the real estate agent shouldn't be taken by surprise, but rather should be educated beforehand so that they can be prepared. Now, these statistics are for single-family homes in areas 1 through 7 of our MLS only. I didn't include townhomes, land, modular, or manufactured homes. I did break the data down between new construction and resale homes because I think it's important to see the dynamics of those statistics also. So let's start by taking a look at the new construction numbers. As you view the information, and by the way, I've included a PDF file of these pages as an attachment to this email, you'll see that in the first 6 months of the year, we've closed 29 fewer new construction homes, 703 sales this year as opposed to 732 last year, for a difference of about 4%. According to the MLS, we've had around 1% fewer active new construction listings, 1,738 this year to 1,753 January to June of last year. The average sold price of a new construction home increased a little over $3,000 this year to $191,211, or an increase of 2% over last year. However, the total dollar volume sold over that same time frame is down $3.3 million, for a decrease of 2%. The sales number comparison for resale homes show negative movement in each of the areas I've reported. 521 resale homes closed from January to June of this year compared to 746 that closed for the same time period 1 year ago. That's a difference of 225 homes, or down 30%. The number of active listings increased by 3%, or 61 more resale homes on the market for the same time period. The average sold price for a resale home decreased by close to $3,500 to $161,496, for a 2% decrease. And the total dollar volume sold was just under $39 million less than last year, and that's equivalent to a decrease of about 32%. I've also included a comparison of numbers for bank-owned sales within our MLS. Based on what has happened in other parts of the country, I feel it's at least worth keeping an eye on. Here in our area, the numbers show an increase of 53%, or from 53 sales the first 6 months of last year to 81 sales the first 6 months of this year. The number of active bank-owned properties listed in the MLS has also gone up from 90 homes to 123 homes, for an increase of 37%. And the percentage of bank-owned properties compared to the overall resale homes sold number in our market increased 3% to a total of 6.6 of the resale figures. This final slide shows combined resale and new construction annual sales numbers since 2007. Now, I calculated the percentage of resale homes sold the first 6 months of this year to what sold the first 6 months of last year, and I applied that same percentage to the number of homes sold per the MLS the last 6 months of last year to come up with a projected figure for home sales the second half of this year. I did the same thing for new construction sales, and when I added the two projected sales number together, it forecasts 2,361 total home sales for this year. Again, this is just a forecast number. And even while you're looking at the chart, please keep in mind that's still over 2,300 home sales in our area. Now, though I have my own personal opinion about the story that the numbers tell, I am only presenting them here as illuminating information for you to use in your business. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or would like to discuss this information further. My contact information will be displayed momentarily. Thank you.